Ciao, cocktail lovers. Today, we're delving into the world of Italian spirits with a drink that has a long history and a unique flavor, Sambuca. But wait, because we'll be revealing some lesser-known facts about this iconic Italian liqueur. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Sambuca is a sweet and aromatic liqueur that is traditionally produced in Italy. Its base is made from distilled star anise, which gives it that distinct licorice flavor. But here's an interesting twist. Some varieties of Sambuca also include additional herbs and spices, enhancing its complexity and depth. Fact number 2. Sambuca has a rich history that dates back centuries. It is believed to have originated in the late 19th century in Civitavecchia, a coastal town near Rome. Since then, Sambuca has become an integral part of Italian drinking culture and is often enjoyed as a digestif or added to coffee for an extra kick. Fact number 3. Sambuca has a unique serving ritual. It is often enjoyed in a traditional manner known as la mosca, the fly. This involves placing 3 coffee beans on top of a shot of Sambuca and setting it ablaze. As the flame flickers, it creates a mesmerizing sight before sipping the liqueur. Fact number 4. While Sambuca is commonly clear and transparent, there are variations that come in different colors. These include black Sambuca, which gets its deep hue from added licorice, and red Sambuca, which incorporates additional fruit flavors. Each variation offers its own unique taste experience. That's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed discovering these lesser-known facts about Sambuca. Give this iconic Italian liqueur a try and let us know in the comments below your favorite way to enjoy Sambuca. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cocktail enthusiasts. Until next time, cheers with a glass of Sambuca.